Hey everyone, Don Cramer with the Cramer Group at Urban Nest Realty. I hope you're having an awesome Wednesday. It's hump day. It is time for our weekly recap. Sorry we missed you last week. We were at a great virtual conference with some of the top real estate agents in the country, doing a lot of breakout sessions, keynote speeches, and such. So I was a little busy with that, but I'm back here this Wednesday to go over the weekly recap so we can go over the numbers. Colleen sends her best today. She is out and about doing the real estate thing. It was great to catch up with her yesterday, and you'll be seeing her here very soon. But let's go over this week's numbers in the Las Vegas housing market, shall we? So let's first take a look at the big slide here, which are homes current listings in the Las Vegas Valley. This week, we start the week off with 5,046 homes available for sale. That's just a one home difference from last week's number of 5,045. Of the 5,046 for sale, we have 4,987 as traditional sales. 34 are short sales and 25 are foreclosures. So again, those make up a very nominal number and sort of been showing that for as far as I can remember over the last couple of years. In the under contract space, we have 4,527 listings currently under contract versus last week's number of 4,548. So a slight drop, but by about a half a point, but that's about it. Of those, the 4,527, 4,398 are traditional sales, 110 are short sales, and 19 are foreclosures. Other big key stats we love to track are back on markets with 206 listings, price decreases of 567, and the median home price now is up to a new record high of 335,000, ladies and gentlemen, here in the Las Vegas Valley. So in the big picture, again, we've got a fair amount of homes on the market, probably could use a little more for better or worse, and under contracts are still staying strong with 4,500. So, we're just about 500 off, which is about a 10% change versus what we have between listings and under contract. So that's still showing some pretty robust demand here in the Las Vegas Valley. Now moving on to the week over week change. We have, over the last 7 days, 865 new listings hit the market. Back on markets with 206, so you can combine those as total active listings. Price decreases were 567. And then the under contracts over the last 7 days were 1,065. And then lastly, solds 851 over the last 7 days. So again, we're still putting quite a few homes into contract as we are onto the market and then back on markets as well. So again, even now into September, we're going to keep tracking this. It looks like our September is going to have, it's already showing some signs of being fairly robust. Again, low interest rates. A lot of people are taking advantage of that because their payment and affordability is so good right now. Now let's take a last look at it by price segment, shall we? Now in the 250,000 price point and under, we have 426 active listings versus 531 under contract. So we actually have more under contract than we do for sale. Same thing in the core market of 250 to 500,000 with 2,921 active listings and 3,179 listings under contract. In the set 500 to 750 price point, we have 797 active homes for sale versus 518 under contract. In the mid-luxury segment, we have only 298 listings available with 142 under contract. And then those homes priced above $1 million, we have 487 listings for sale with 140 under contract. So as you can see in those first two price categories, up to 500,000, strong demand still because demand is outweighing a bit of the supply at the moment. So we want to see if that continues to hold true. And also, too, across all price points, we're seeing pretty robust activity, even up through the $1 million price points where people are coming in and making offers. In fact, we saw some really interesting new listings hit the market at some very aggressive price points and going into contract within a few days of each other. I mean, that's going into the Labor Day weekend. Normally, we sort of start seeing the cool down phase here, but I'm not quite seeing that at this moment in time. So that's this week's weekly housing market update for Las Vegas for the week of September 8th, 2020. If you have any questions, do us a big favor, comment below, reach out. We'd love to answer those for you because more now than ever, your real estate experience matters. So again, I'm Don Cramer with the Cramer Group at Urban Nest Realty. Wishing you all a wonderful day. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.